Imagine this. You're brushing your teeth, scrolling on your phone, or maybe even driving to work, when suddenly, Earth slams on the brakes. The planet just stops spinning for 5 seconds. Sounds short, right? Just 5 seconds. That's less time than it takes to microwave a slice of pizza. But here's the catch. Those 5 seconds would be enough to completely flip our world upside down, literally. Let's set this up. Right now, as you're watching this video, Earth is spinning really fast. At the equator, it's moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it because everything around you, air, water, trees, even your couch, is moving with you at the same speed. Now picture this. The Earth suddenly slams to a stop, but the atmosphere doesn't. Neither does the ocean. Neither do you. Basically, you, your car, your cat, and every grain of sand are still flying forward at 1,000 miles per hour. For 5 whole seconds. That's like being on the world's most terrifying treadmill. Except instead of a treadmill, it's the entire planet, and instead of falling down, you're launched sideways at airplane speed. So what happens first? Well, every building not bolted into bedrock would crumble. Skyscrapers? Gone. Houses? Tossed. Cars, buses, and trains? They'd keep flying like toys launched from a slingshot. And forget about trees. They'd basically turn into giant wooden spears, ripping out of the ground. But the real nightmare? The oceans. When Earth stops, the water keeps rushing eastward, slamming into coastlines with the force of thousands of nuclear bombs. We're talking mega tsunamis the size of mountains, sweeping across entire continents. Goodbye New York, London, Tokyo, basically any city even near water. And here's where it gets even crazier. After those 5 seconds, Earth starts spinning again like nothing happened. That means the atmosphere and oceans snap back into motion too. Imagine the world's biggest reverse Uno card. First, everything launches eastward. Then it slams back westward. So not only are you thrown once, you get double launched. Okay, but what about people far from the equator? The spin speed is slower near the poles. If you live in northern Canada, you might only be launched at 400 miles per hour, which is still, fatal. Unless you're lucky enough to be inside some underground bunker, you probably wouldn't survive this 5-second stunt. Now let's zoom out. Stopping Earth's spin doesn't just cause chaos on the ground. It messes with the planet itself. The equator bulges because of rotation. If we suddenly stopped, all that extra bulge of water and rock would start redistributing, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even shifting continents. Basically, the whole planet would throw a tantrum. Here's the climax. Within seconds, Earth would look like a totally different planet. Coastlines erased, cities wiped clean, billions of lives lost. And the strangest part? If Earth started spinning again right after, it would be like nothing happened, except the surface would be completely destroyed. From space, you'd see oceans sloshing like water in a shaken snow globe. So what's the takeaway? Never, ever wish for Earth to stop spinning, not even as a joke. Those 5 seconds would be the most destructive event in human history. Our planet's spin isn't just background motion. It's literally the glue that keeps life stable. But hey, at least we'd have the wildest 5-second roller coaster ride ever invented. You just wouldn't live to tell the story. Thanks for hanging out in this mind-bending, what-if scenario. If you enjoyed imagining total planetary chaos, make sure to hit like, drop a comment with your own crazy, what-if idea, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Who knows? We might explore what happens if the moon explodes, or if humans grew wings overnight. See you in the next video, and until then, be grateful the Earth keeps spinning.